So I'm looking to take this microwave down. It has 2 screws up here. So once I take the screws out, this will lean a little, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it and take it down. I don't know who put this wall up, but here it all is. And it already has a bracket up there, and it's the same size microwave. So I'm going to place the new microwave on the same bracket. So now what I'm going to do is rotate. I have to loosen this fan up, this motor, because this is if you have a vent that goes outward. Usually you'll have this sitting towards whichever way the vent is. However, I don't have a vent up here, so I have to rotate the fan so that it circulates inward, so it comes out of here. So it's 3 easy screws. You'll see that I basically took the fan out from its previous direction and I turned it. Because I have a bracket on the wall and I did the measurements and it's the same size, it came with a bracket on it. I'm actually just going to remove it. Also, this is good to know, microwave comes with this. Usually it tells you exactly, it's a template. So it tells you how exactly the microwave should go on the wall, and then you just follow the directions and you can kind of see the measurements and things like that below. You also have to measure, it has 2 bolts at the top. Definitely want to measure those. And here you have it.
Finished product.